So finally we are back, and it's a kind of like life update, but I'm gonna make a tutorial on C++. I know, I don't complete any of my tutorials, but now this time I'm serious. You trust me. You can trust me on this one. Because you know what, like I'm searching jobs on Netflix, and what I can see is like machine learning and AI is on the peak. And yeah, DRDO too, like DRDO, but like they only have like two programs, which is like first is winter and another one is summer. In summer, I was like slacking off. I was so lazy. I was like, no, I don't want to do this, and I'm like seriously into hacking, and which is like still going on. So in this month for like not just month or maybe like 2 or 3 weeks, I'm gonna cover like C++ and Python. In Python we are gonna do just ML and AI, which is machine learning and artificial intelligence, and because everyone is doing that, so we will also do that in our channel. And if you just follow me along, maybe I can get a job, you can also get a job, then we can have one BHK flat where we can just have our one sofa, one table, and that's it, and one cat too. So this is all our software engineers need, and you can also have a dog. It's not like that. So in this video we are gonna see like 5 programs how I just want to like edit that, or I don't want to edit, so I will like pause that. So first we will understand what is the syntax of C++. Then we will do like first program is, I have asked like ChatGPT what is the like first program, and is just give us like you have to print like hello world. Then we are gonna like make a calculator, then that even or odd, and let me just like type everything. So let's first make a folder. So if let's go into that. Okay, so where is our desktop? Let me find our desktop. Okay, here we are. Make it a new folder, which we are gonna name. What is the name? Is YouTube? Yeah, YouTube is correct for this. Then let's go to the VS Code. I'm using VS Code because everyone on Twitter is using VS Code, and it was like, okay, I'm a cool kid. Yes, that's it. So yeah, save everything. We don't want to like lose our data, and this is gonna be headache. Okay, so let me create a first file. We will name it as 001.cpp. I don't know why I do this 001 everything. So let's start with our syntax. So here's the thing. Let me uh, make it bigger, and we will use terminal for taking an input. But I don't think I'm not going for ChatGPT. What ChatGPT have said me. So let's do this. You know how to make a comment in C++, right? You can comment it like this. So we're gonna do hello world, because every programmer do this. I don't know why. Okay, don't do hello world. Okay, we are not like others programmer. Let's do hello hell. We will do hello hell because we are so evil. We have watched Death Note, and now we are like fucking god of this world. We have something that kind of sort. So let's go. So we will like include the header file. I will explain you what is this. And okay, if I will explain you everything, then it will be like time consuming. So you should like go and watch other YouTubers video. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna, I'm gonna use it. Okay, namespace, then I will give you some STD disease, and you will die eventually. Like you got like STD disease, now you have like HIV, and you are gonna die. Let's make a function. Okay, see out, and this is like hello hell. I don't know why I just typed like too fast, and it's really like, okay, I just misspelled. Then nah, I don't want to show you. Okay, let's show you. And your reason zero why you do this. Okay, so here's your program, and this is gonna print out hello help. So you get this program, and I think you already know this, so there's no need of telling you. I'm kidding. Okay, This is the first. Okay, this is the first line, and in every programming language, like computer, okay, just imagine like you are a compiler. Okay, you are now a compiler. You are not a human being. You are not a viewer. You are just a compiler. So here is the thing, like what you are going to do, you will go to the first line and you will be like, oh, what is this? Oh, this is a command, like fucking skip this. Sorry about the f word, but okay, let's skip this. And then you will go to the second line. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is something like a header. Oh yeah, I will remember this. Now let's go to the second one. And here's like, this is the standard. This is like using namespace standard. I don't know, like C++ creator have did this. He makes some standards. Why we put this? And here's the thing. If you like remove this, okay, just I'm gonna remove this. Okay, now C programming will be like, what the heck? So in a sixth line, what is the C out? What is this NL? I don't know. I'm so confused, and it just freak out and it will give us like errors. So if you just put it back here, and then you'll be like, oh yeah, now I know. Now I'm C++. Now I know. Like I'm a programming language, but if we just remove this, it will like freak out. This is like, oh man, what is this? Let's see. Like if you remove this and if you also remove this, then there's no problem. It will like, okay, we have a header, we have a function, and nothing else. In function, we don't have anything like C out and everything. So if I do this and if I didn't did that standard, then it will just freak out. This, oh, what is this? What is this? Who am I? So now there we go. And next one. So now we have a standard, and then as you are compiler now, you will go to the fourth line and you will be like, oh, this is a blank line. This is nothing. So a blank line doesn't mean you will have like this much of blank lines and blah blah blah. You can just write anything here as a command, not just anything. So it doesn't matter. So and the fourth line is like blank. So let's keep it as not of my time. Then fifth, you can see now we have created a function. Now this is function. Yeah. And I will show you like how to make a function, and which I have really did here, but we will talk about functions because functions is very necessary in programming language, trust me, necessary than your life. So but you are a compiler now. So now we have like declare this, like now integer main. This is a data type. We give it a type and then main, and in the main we have the C out. What is the C out? This like just printing out any text. There is also C in. We are gonna see this in uh, this video. Okay, I guess in this video. So now we have C out. Now what C out will do is like, okay, just print out like this. As same as like Python. Let me explain you that. I don't know why I love explaining this thing. So now hello hell. So in Python we will do like print, and then we have like hello hell. So in C++ we also have like this. So this just like print. You have to just print out this text in here. Now this handle, you can also use this. What is this handle? Let me, this like end line. So just remember like this, and C out, just remember this. Now what you will like be kind of confused in this. Okay, this arrow type. Okay, so this is like written, then what the hell is this? So it's syntax. It's not my problem. This like C++ syntax, you have to do like this. So just remember it, like if you are printing out, okay, like out, and you are giving something, then you have to like give it here. So I like just a greater than sign and like mouth towards that text. Just remember like this. I have used to remember like this when I was like child, and yeah, C++ was my like C, and C++ was my like first language, is kind of like native language, and I think I haven't like used C++ for a very much time. So you have to do this. And what is this end line? This is just end line, and I will show you like why I have put this. So if I don't put end line, and let's first explain you everything. Okay, so this end line and return 0 is like, okay, over program what we have just wrote here. Okay, everything. This everything. So this is successful. So zero is like success. Now we are telling like our compiler to you. You are a compiler. You remember that. So I'm just telling you like what I wrote here is success. So compiler will be like, okay, this is successful. I don't know why. You will be like, if I do like return one, return two, and something, then it's gonna just print the same thing. But uh, when you will be like too much into computer science and you are using that GCC and everything, then going deeper into the analyzing the code, you will see that in Linux. If I will have a chance, I will just show you that there is a difference in data. So we just like put this return zero. I guess you can't able to like understand this right now, but there is a like YouTube channel name as Ben or something. So I used to watch his video. He explained it pretty much well than me. So there you go. We just put return zero and then we end this. So now we'll run it. Let's run this. Run the code. And okay, so let me save and run. So there you go. Hello hell. Now we have this hello hell. So back to the question, like why this and L. So if I put this and let me save this and run. So you can see it's still hello hell. But if I copy this, okay, let me copy and let me print it here and make it a good syntax. Let me put hello hell 1 and then hello hell 2. So let me save it and run it. You will be like, okay, this hello hell, okay, hello hell 1, hello hell 2. What is this? So you can see like it's not in a line, it's just in a line. It's not just like what we have wrote. We want to see this in a new line. So for that you are using and I will show you one more thing. I just remember that. Okay, so you are using and don't forget the syntax. So this is like you have to do like end of line. So now if I just save this and run this, you will see. So hello hell is here. Now hello hell 1 and hello hell 2 is in second line. Because as a compiler you will see there's no end line. So maybe you want to just put this in a single line. But what you can do as you can put like this new line in here. Now you will see like you can also do this. So now we have this. We can also use like handle. We can also use like slash n. So uh, okay. Oh shit. Okay, no problem. So we can also do like this, or maybe you are familiar with this in Python. So it is all your choice to do this. So that's it. I think about this video. I want to just go on like on some of the programs I just mentioned, but like oh, so much frustrated. So that's it, and I guess I can just go on the second code. Oh no no no! I also want to like go and do my machine learning. You know what? Like it's so much time consuming and I seriously like I have a feeling like I suck in data structure and algorithm right now, but I have to improve that in just 100 days, and after that you will see like I'm getting job in fucking MNCs or somewhere because I just need to pay my some fees which I have earned. Now I'm intense. If you want to like donate me, you can just go on like fraserxt/donate and you can donate me. I really appreciate you if you're helping me, but in return I will give you nothing. So yeah, just kindness. Oh yeah, that's it about this video, and I will see you in the next one if I will be alive at that time.